Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Laura Wilkie with Down Home with Lemon Pie, and this is curriculum week. This is the second video I am releasing this week, going through our entire curriculum plan for the upcoming school year. All right, guys, welcome back. If you're brand new to my channel, I'm so glad you're here. I'm Laura Wilkie, and I'm a Christian homeschool mom of 6 kiddos, and I have one more on the way. And my kiddos range in age from 3 up to 10 right now, and we are just kind of planning our new school year for the 2021-22 school year. And if you already saw the first video, which was released yesterday, it was all about our main curriculum, which is My Father's World, Creation to the Greeks. This is the manual that I'm using. I talk about all the things that we're using to go along with that in that first video. So if you didn't get that one yet, go back and check that one out. This video, I'm going to show you things that I personally am choosing to add on, or things that I have found, like in the back, there's like book lists that I have chosen to add on to our curriculum for this school year. Okay, guys, so right off the bat, it tells us at the back of the curriculum manual to that a helpful atlas, like a Bible atlas, would be really good for this school year. So one of the ones it suggested was this one here, Children's Guide to the Bible. And so that's the one I grabbed off of Thrift Books, probably for about $4, something in that range. And when I got it in, it looks good, but I don't think that it's exactly what I was hoping for. So I did kind of do some more research, and I picked up another one that we're going to be using probably more than that one. And because I have an older teacher manual, this book may not have been one that was recommended because it may not have been put out yet. But I already love it so much more. And it is this one, the Complete Illustrated Children's Bible Atlas. It's not terribly thick, but I really love the way it's laid out and the way the pictures look. So I'll show you guys some of that. Here we have some of the stuff. I just love the pictures, and as you go through, you can see it just seems like it's going to be a much better fit for our family. So this is the one that I'm going to probably be referencing the most. But I did get the other one just in case. And like I said, I love using Thrift Books because if a book ends up being one that maybe wasn't exactly our favorite or our style or whatever, I really didn't spend much on it because I only buy them on there if they're in very good or like new condition, and if they're usually like less than $6, usually less than $5, because I'm a super thrifty mom. I've said that in several of my videos. So anyway, those are the atlases that I have on hand. I did pick this up, and I have wanted this for several years, and I'm so excited to add it to our collection, especially this year as we study Creation to the Greeks, and it is Then and Now Bible Maps. I love that it is spiral bound, and if you open it up, it has like the Bible time map, and then it's got the overlays, the clear overlays, so that you can see how it lines up with today. I am so excited about this because so many times you read in the Bible and things are referenced and they're names that we don't use today, or that so you can't find them on the map. You have no idea where they're talking about or where they are or any of that. So I'm just so excited to have these overlays for us to use in our homeschool this year. So that is this one. Another one I got that I'm really excited to use, and I haven't flipped through it too much, but I'm excited to add it because I have little ones. This curriculum does have like a piece of it where you do the feast, the biblical feast, so we'll be celebrating those, but I wanted to add a little bit more cooking to our curriculum. So I picked up Bake Through the Bible. I'm so excited about this. I'm hoping that it will really encourage and excite my little ones especially. as we're learning and going through. So it just has cute little recipes to go along with each of the themes, well, the main themes that you come across in the Bible. So they probably won't line up exactly with the curriculum, so I'll have to do some of my own tweaking to get them to fit in, but I'm just excited to have something that the little ones are going to have that's hands-on. Okay, another one that I'm adding, which we are going to be doing as it corresponds with the curriculum. So throughout the curriculum, it has you reading from your Bible. And my little guys really needed something a little bit simpler. Plus, we used to have this Bible and this version, and I don't know where it went, but I picked up a brand new one. It's the Beginner's Bible. So I'm excited to add this. It will be a little better fit for the ages of the kiddos that I have. My bigger girls already read their Bibles on a regular basis, like their actual Bible, not a children's version. So I'm not concerned about them, but I really want my little ones to understand it too. So that's what I picked up. I also picked up this one, which I am so excited to add. I know I keep saying that, but I'm so excited. I've wanted this one for a couple years now, and it's Theology. And I'm going to use this one at like morning time. We're going to do one little piece each day, and it has a little story at the beginning, and then it has little pieces of theology that go along throughout. So they're real short, just about 2 pages, and then it has the second one, number 2, and you go on. So it's not going to take us long. It's going to be a perfect addition for our family, I hope, for morning time. Okay, this is a book I actually snagged when my oldest was in 1st grade. She's going into 5th grade. So we've had this on our shelf for a while, but we did not use it when she was in 1st grade like I thought that we would. So I'm hoping to add this now. It's If You'd Been There in Bible Times. It starts right after the flood and goes until shortly after Jesus dies. And I love the way it's laid out. It kind of reminds me of the Usborne or the DK books, where it has the little snippets of information and just all the things. So I'm excited to add this. This will be one that we do throughout the school year, so we won't do it all the way through as it is, but we'll do it throughout as we get to it and as it corresponds, I guess. All right, I picked up this one. Amazon did that buy 2, get 1 free sale. This was included, and I was not gonna buy it prior to that. And then I started doing some research on it, and I realized that this is probably going to be a perfect addition for the book basket and for my bigger kids who just love fun facts. And that is this one, the Bible infographics for kids. I kind of the reason I didn't want to get this at first is because this is not appealing to me at all. Just the way the pictures are, the illustrations, it's just not pretty. It looks a little weird, but when I started getting into it and looking at it online, I really do like the way it is laid out and the facts that it has. I think it's going to be a fun fact one for my girls. I think they're really, really going to get into this. So I'm excited about this to have it available for them. Okay, talking about those biblical feasts that I was talking about before that are in the curriculum, there is already a book included to use with that. However, it also has in the back of the teacher manual some other suggested resources. And so I picked up 2 of those, which everybody was saying were very helpful. And that is Milk and Honey, A Year of Jewish Holidays. I already love this one so much because it has stories throughout for each holiday. There's like a little poem, some more stories. It's just so cute the way it is done. And so I'm super excited. I think there's the history of that particular holiday, just all the things. It has some songs. I just really think that this is going to be a great addition. I also picked up Cooking the Israeli Way. All of these were from thrift books. That's why they have random little stickers on them. But I obviously don't know how to make all the meals that we may be making, and I liked that this one was going to be an easy to use one that we could easily just flip open and see what we need to make. So I'm super excited to add that. Okay, this is something my mom actually picked up, I think at like a garage sale or something, I don't know. She grabbed it for us last year, but we were doing exploring countries and cultures. It really didn't fit. So I saved it for this year. I'm just going to add it in. And I'm not even exactly sure what it is. It's an Explorers, Ancient Egypt Explorers kit. I think it's one of those things where there's like rocks and they have to dig out the little artifacts or whatever. I think that's what it is, but it's in plastic. I haven't even opened it, but I'm going to pull it out for the bigger kids to use, especially when they tell me they're super bored. All right, I did grab this from a friend. She was selling some things. I picked up 44 Animals of the Bible. I'm excited because I think that we can maybe do like one a day, one a week, something like that, probably a week, maybe 2 a week, and just kind of just a little information tidbits. If it ends up not being a good fit, it doesn't fit, but I'm going to try and fit it in. Okay, I talked about in my last video about the dinosaur thing. I really am focusing a lot on dinosaurs this year. In fact, I've already started dividing and planning our school year, and the whole first term, which is about 6 weeks for our family, will be about dinosaurs. So I picked up some other books. I had already had this one from when we did My Father's World kindergarten, and I love this one. They've replaced it and they have a new one, but I still really, really love this one. So I pulled this back out from our shelf. We will be going through what really happened to the dinosaurs. And then I picked up a few others. I just really want to cement those. Like I was saying in the other video, everybody always pulls that out as the reason they don't believe the Bible is because of dinosaurs. And I really want to get that cemented into their minds, especially when they're young, especially my boys who haven't had as much exposure to biblical truth regarding dinosaurs. So I really want to get that into them as well. So here, this is just kind of a cute little picture book. When Dragons' Hearts Were Good. And I don't know, I haven't even pre-read this at all, but I think it's going to be so adorable. So we're going to add that just as kind of a little book to read. And the next two are kind of longer books. So we are going to be doing Dinosaurs from Eden, or Dinosaurs of Eden. I can't remember exactly what it's called, but the one that's included in the curriculum. But I'm also going to try and slide these in as well because they are just further resources, and it is the Great Dinosaur Mystery and the Bible. So this is going to hopefully help us to discern between truth and science, what the science is telling us that's maybe not so true, and life in the Great Ice Age. We don't actually start our read alouds until later, so I might even just start with this one. I'm not sure. Anyways, I saw this one was recommended in the My Father's World Creation to the Greeks Facebook group by some other people. So there's actually another one that goes with it, but that was the only one I picked up. Anyways, guys, those are the things that I am adding on for our curriculum. Stay tuned. This whole week I'm releasing a new video every single day. I still am going to be showing you guys what we're doing as far as like our core subjects like math and reading and language arts and all of those things. And I have a whole new thing that I'm doing for kindergarten that is going to be kind of on the side with this. So thanks guys for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow.